Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MemeKombat token. Now this is a brand new token combining play to earn, staking. It's a utility token. It is in pre-sale right now. Very brand new token. Pre-sale is on their webpage. We're going to go over the information on the MemeKombat token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got their pre-sale just started basically on their webpage. This is a very brand new token. Ticker symbol is MK for this token. You can find their webpage here at MemeKombat.io. Real easy to find. And on there you're going to find all of their pre-sale information. Now there is tons of news articles that have already been published out on the net regarding this pre-sale. So they have been doing a great job marketing this pre-sale, because I've seen at least 2 or 3 news articles. They'll probably have them listed on the page here, what news outlets have been talking about them. But yeah, on their webpage they have a utility section, how it works, tokenomics, roadmap, team. They have a audit, so you can check out a full audit. They have how to buy, in case you get stuck here. They have a staking section. They have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find that. Their Telegram. And they also have, you can change the language on their page to like so many different languages. Now, this is a really cool page with lots of cool artwork on it. They call it MemeKombat because there's all these different crypto memes on here. Like they have SpongeBob, they have Pepe, Wojak, Shiba, Doge, Milady, you know, you name it. All the Doges, all the different ones. So you can buy this token right off their page by connecting your wallet. Now they show you can buy the token with either Ethereum or USDT. They show you the price. 1 MK, which is the ticker symbol. 1 MK equals $1.66 basically. And they show you how much they've raised so far. So they've raised $44,826 so far, and their goal is 1 million. So you still got a lot of time. They're only about 1/20th of their pre-sale in. Once they get to 50,000, they're almost at $50,000. That'll be 1/20th of this pre-sale completed. So this is very brand new, and that's what this channel is all about. These brand new tokens. Again, I'm not telling you to buy anything. I'm just letting you know that these brand new tokens are out here, so you guys can go check them out. Now it says stake, play, and get rewards. MemeKombat is an all-new gaming platform designed for all enthusiasts. There's passive staking where you can get rewards for all users. So you can buy it on Binance Smart Chain too as well. So it says Ethereum, USDT, and then if you want to buy on BSC, there's a different button there. And yeah, so it says here you can get 112% APY. So that's annual percentage yield, which is like interest. It says earn APY during the pre-sale. Do not wait for meme battles. Begin earning your APY on with MK tokens today by buying the pre-sale. And it says click here to learn more. And there's a whole section about that. It goes over how staking works. The point of MK isn't just to buy and trade, but to stake your tokens. And you can get rewards for voting on these battles here. So They show you how to vote on battles, and then you could win alongside your champions, it says here. So it says get into the action, and it shows you kind of like a Doge fighting a Shiba, a Doge fighting Pepe, Shiba fighting Milady, Wojak punching Pepe in the face, all these different... Choose your victors, it says. In Season 1, we have 11 memes, all fighting to be number 1. Will you find a favorite or play the odds? So basically, yeah, how it works here, tokenomics-wise, 50% of the tokens go to pre-sale. It says half of the total supply will be set aside for the MK pre-sale. The intention is all who buy the pre-sale to participate in MemeKombat. 10% decentralized exchange. 10% of the overall supply is reserved for pairing with liquidity pools on decentralized exchanges. 10% community rewards. So MK is all about participation through community engagement. Those who love epic battles. So we've set aside a good amount of tokens for community rewards. And lastly, 30% of the tokens go to staking and battle rewards. So we set aside a large percentage of the supply to support the ecosystem and help maintain balance. So they have the roadmap on here. Starting with the pre-sale launch, then the platform launch, then the immediate post-launch. Then we have, starting with their seasons of battles, and then future development. They're going to look at future plans, partnerships, game modes. So they're going to add to their games, etc. in the future. Now they have some, a little bit of team information. There's a LinkedIn address to Matt Whiteman, the project lead and founder. So you can go check him out. Then they have a Discord coming soon, it says. So that's not available yet. Now they do have a Twitter and an X, a Telegram and an X. I keep saying Twitter instead of Telegram as well here. So, very brand new. Their Telegram is at MemeKombat token. Only 239 subscribers on their Telegram so far. And yeah, then their Twitter is listed on here as well. I'm going to put that up right here so you guys can easily find that. But besides that, they do have a white paper, it looks like, on the very bottom of their page. There's a few news articles out there about this token. You can check out their audit. And yeah, go check out the pre-sale at MemeKombat.io. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.